In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up and restore your Underground Prepper data using a .prep file. This is the most important backup method in the app. It creates a fully encrypted copy of everything and is the only way to completely restore your data or transfer it to a new device. This process is the same whether you're on desktop or mobile. To create a backup, click Settings in the left navigation, then click the Backup tab and select Export Backup from the left menu. The Export Backup page explains what the backup does. It creates an encrypted .prep file containing all your inventory data. Click Export Backup to begin. Before the file is exported, the app will display your 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is the only way to decrypt your backup file. Without it, the backup cannot be restored. Write it down and store it somewhere safe, separate from the backup file itself. You can also click Copy Phrase to copy it to your clipboard. When you're ready, click I've written this down, Export Now to save the .prep file to your device. Save the file somewhere you'll be able to find it, an external drive, a cloud storage folder, or another secure location. It's a good habit to create a new backup regularly, especially after making significant changes to your inventory. Now let's look at how to restore from a .prep file. Click Import Backup in the left menu. Click Select .prep file and choose the backup file you want to restore from. Once the file is selected, you'll be asked to enter your 12-word recovery phrase. Type all 12 words in order, separated by spaces, then click Decrypt and Preview. If the phrase is correct, the backup will be decrypted and you'll see two options on how to import it. Wipe and Restore replaces all your current data with everything from the backup. Use this when setting up a new device or recovering from a complete data loss. Merge adds and updates items using the backup data without wiping what you already have. Existing items are never silently lost. Any deletion from the backup are respected. Use this when syncing data across devices or applying a partial update. Choose the option that fits your situation and the restore will complete automatically. Your data will be fully restored and you'll be taken back into the app. Always make sure to keep your recovery phrase stored safely. Losing it means losing access to your backup.